Today I'm going to be walking you through an easy and thorough knife cleaning routine. Hey guys, it's Laura from Tekto. Something many knife owners want to know is how often they should be cleaning their knives and some essential maintenance tips to keep them in pristine condition. Now, much of this depends on the user, how much the knife is getting used, which kind of conditions it's being used in, and how it's being carried. So today I have our best-selling F1 Alpha. This knife has about 6 months of usage, mainly cutting things like wire, cardboard, rope, tape, and a little bit of wood. It's in great working shape. The pivot and bearings are fully intact, but it's definitely been tossed around a little bit, so let's give it a little tune-up. Okay, so I like to start off with a gentle exterior cleanup before I disassemble for some extra interior cleaning. I'm gonna use a soft cloth and some cleaning spray. You can use a knife cleaner, but honestly any household cleaner will do. Starting with the knife closed, I'm gonna wipe down the handle and get all of the small little grooves. For smaller areas, you can also use a toothpick or a cotton swab to detail. Now I'm gonna wipe down the blade. Just make sure that you go spine to edge to avoid cutting yourself. Next, let's use our air duster to remove any remaining particles. I'm gonna pay special attention between the handle openings where dirt often gets trapped. Nice, this looks really good. Sometimes a simple exterior cleaning is all it needs and you're good to go. Now if you wanna go deeper and clean the interior, first you have to make sure you have all the proper tools, and then you always wanna check your knife warranty to ensure that disassembling won't void it. First, I'm gonna remove all of the screws. Remember which goes where. Once we have our knife disassembled, we can repeat the earlier steps. A little spray and a little wipe down. I'm gonna air dust again just to make sure that all of the dust and more importantly the moisture is completely gone. Then we'll add some oil before reassembling the knife back together. There are plenty of good oils on the market, but we really like KPL Original. I like to apply a little bit onto all key moving parts, so I'm gonna hit the bearings and the pivot. This will keep the knife opening really smoothly. Once assembled, I like to recheck my screws and make sure that everything is functioning properly. Then I'm gonna add a little bit more oil over the pivot like this. You're gonna work that in by opening and closing the blade a few times, and then you can finish it off by polishing your blade with a little more oil as well. And that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. This F1 is looking great and has plenty of usage left in it, but don't forget it doesn't matter how clean it is if it isn't sharp. So stay tuned for our next Tekto tutorial where we'll be walking you through how to sharpen your blade. Hit the comments with any questions or to tell us how you did, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our latest drops.